Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today we're going to do a bit of a deep dive on project notes in Scrivener. You'll have seen me mention project notes in several other videos, most recently the one on my WIP. This is how to use project notes in the same way I am. Click on Manage Project Notes in your Inspector panel. This activates a pop-up window with just the project notes in it. There will be one tab named General, which is what you already see on the main screen. In case you haven't watched my WIP video, we're going to add multiple pages to our project notes. You'll see over on the right hand side a tiny plus symbol. Click on this and you'll be asked to name your new project notes page. Once you've done so and clicked OK, a new tab will appear. Within this you can start typing. Formatting is basic, but you can use bold and italics. If you want to delete a tab, click on the X by the name. You can add multiple tabs. By that time you're getting into scrolling territory. Back on the main screen you can see that these tabs come up as a list that you can select from. And just as a side note, you can't do the same thing with document notes. There's just one per document, and by that I mean a scene or a folder page. For more Scrivener videos, click here, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.